All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We're starting the video off a little different today. As y'all can see, we are indeed at a tune shop. We're getting his Redeye tune right now. Just install some injectors on it, some big injectors on it. This sounds crazy. We're trying to start it on a conservative tune so they can get it on the dyno right now. Sounds crazy. Damn, that shit look good. Yeah, so we got the Challenger on the dyno right now. I'm trying to stay out the way because he's working on this Camaro right here. Doing something with the exhaust. The car on the dyno right now. As y'all can see, Powerhouse Performance is doing it. The powers are gonna be shown, but I ain't gonna show y'all that because he don't want his numbers to be shown and shit. So I'm gonna just get a video of the car on the dyno. Hopefully we can hear the whine good. They told us to stand like over here, out the way. You know what I'm saying? We wanted to go back here to get a clip for y'all too, so y'all can hear the exhaust. And I was gonna go over there so I can hear the whine, but we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so they about to do another pull. That first one was like a baseline, you know what I'm saying? He made some power there. But I guess they about to keep going up with it, so probably got like two, three more pulls to do. You know, when they drag race on the street and they put the prep down, he put a prep on the, what's it called? This is the first time I've seen him do that, but I guess because it's spinning. So they try to make it stick a little bit more. That shit sounds crazy. Alright, y'all, so we're doing I think it's the third pool right here. Seen that pool, I ain't gonna lie. This last pool, it jumped crazy. Like, it jumped down there 60 horsepower just now from what it was. Alright, y'all, we on the last final pool. That shit sounds so crazy when y'all in here. There's video all over the place and shit like that. But as you can see, we put a new window in his car right now. Striker boys tried to get him, so here we are at the junkyard. Just found a new window, hella cheap. You feel me? If y'all want to go see how to put a window in a Dodge, go to his channel. I'm gonna pull it up somewhere right here. Too, so he recorded a video on how to put the window in. So if y'all, like I said, if y'all want to go watch that, y'all go to his channel. You feel me? I'm gonna put it in the description or put it up on the stream. I know I ain't show y'all like him dogging the car nothing yet after the tune, but I ain't gonna lie, we just came 5 minutes down the road to this little salvage yard, and this bitch is running. So on the way home, we about to get y'all some little POVs. You know what I'm saying? He about to record some POVs as well. So like I said, y'all go tune to his channel and shit like that. This is the second window in what, 2 weeks? Them boys done tried 2 times. Not getting this one. Not getting this one. I was back in the big red cat.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, this shit pulled crazy, I ain't gonna lie. And he don't even got good tires on it right now, so we're gonna keep doing it.